Winter in Taiwan, 大河口 River, many migratory birds come to spend the winter. You see Loka from Siberia. Loka is taking a rest. Street garden is taking a bath. Street garden feel 就松快. In Taiwan, some people will be very angry when you speak American English. That's because they didn't study. They are illiteracy. They even don't know what I'm saying now, particularly in Daolag. This street garden sleigh is broken. Another is broken too. Broken. Broken. Jia Yun. Jia Yun.